Hey everyone, welcome back to Granted. I'm Ty, and today I've got an urgent grant opportunity for restaurant owners that you do not want to miss. This $50,000 grant deadline is approaching fast, so let's dive right in. American Express and the National Trust have teamed up for the Backing Historic Small Restaurants program, offering $50,000 grants to help historic restaurants make crucial exterior improvements. And you have only until May 30th to apply. That's just 14 days away from the day that I am doing this recording. Here's why this grant is incredible. You get a full $50,000 for your historic restaurant. At least $40,000 must go toward exterior improvements. Up to $10,000 can support a preservation partner, and the final $10,000 can be used however you need. Eligible exterior improvements for this grant include facade rehabilitation, masonry work or cleaning, window repairs, murals and signage upgrades, awnings and exterior lighting, and painting or cleaning facades. To qualify for this grant, your restaurant must be small and independently owned, be located in a historic or older building slash older neighborhood, and it must contribute to the history or the identity of your community. It must also tell a story about cuisine and community in America. It also must have a historical narrative or cultural significance, and your restaurant must have been impacted by economic challenges or hardships. The application process. Here we go. There are two ways to get involved. So, restaurant owners must submit a full application through Submittable by May 30th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern. This is the only way to be eligible for the grant. But here's the other thing. You can get involved if you're not a restaurant owner. Restaurant lovers can nominate their favorite historic restaurants to raise awareness, though still, even if you do this, the owners need to apply. So if you nominate your favorite restaurant, just be sure to tell the owner or tell the staff so that the owner of the restaurant will know to apply. There's a link that goes along with the application that is just for people who want to nominate a restaurant. And I'll be sure to link the application and that link as well in the description box of this video. Now, the timeline for this one moves quickly. Applications close again May 30th. The winners will be notified in July. The public announcement period is July and August. And the improvement projects phase is August 2025 through January 2026. So as with any of the grants, go to the National Trust page and read all of the details before submitting your application, and check out previous grantees, review them if they are available so that you have an idea of what this particular grant funds. Don't wait until the last minute. Remember, applications close on May 30th, and the link to apply is in the description box below. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe to Granted for a new grant opportunity every week. Hit that notification bell also so that you never miss out on free money for your goals and your dreams. Good luck with your application, and I'll see you in the next video.